Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to backup Google Photos to external hard drive. So what you will need: a computer with internet access, your Google account, an external hard drive, and lastly, enough free space on your drive. The first step, go to Google Takeout, then sign into your Google account and under the Select Data to Include section, click Deselect All. Now scroll down and check only Google Photos. Now step 2. Customize Google Photo Export. All you have to do is click the multiple formats button under Google Photos if you want to review the format, and then click all photo albums include to select a specific album, which is optional. If you want, you can try that. Now step 3 is choose the export settings. First, scroll down and click next step and choose this delivery method. Select send download link via email or frequency. Choose export once, and lastly, pick the zip folder, which is easier to extract, and the file size can be 2 GB, 4 GB or more. Now step 4, create the export. All you have to do is create export. Now Google will start prepare your files, and this might take hours or even days depending on size. And then you will get an email once your archive is ready. Now step 5, open the email from Google with the subject "Your data is ready to download," and then click download your file link, then sign in to verify, and then download all the zip files to your computer. Now step 6 is move to the external hard drive. To do that, plug into your external hard drive, then open the folder where the zip files were downloaded, then right click and choose extract all to unzip them. Once unzipped, copy the folders and paste them onto your external drive, and you are done. Your Google Photos are now safely backed up to your external hard drive. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.